Hi everyone. Say, I want to do a quick little review on this little cook set that I just got. This cook set is by G4Free. It's a 13-piece cook set. It weighs 1.6 pounds or 635 grams. It measures out 6.5 wide by 4 inches tall. It does come with a little stuff bag. So I'm going to take it out of the stuff bag and we'll look inside. Now it has a nice size frying pan. This is a 7-liter frying pan. And of course the lid fits the pot. It doesn't fit the frying pan. It comes with a stove. There's the stove. In this pack, it comes with a spoon. Folding out spoon, carabiner. I'm not sure what that's for. It's like I'm not going to tie it on the side of my pack, but it comes with a fork. It comes with a knife. It comes with a little sponge so you can clean things up. I think this is a little ladle, something like that. Also comes with 2 bowls, and it comes with like a little wooden spatula, and then a nice sized pot, which is 1.4 liter pot. So I say we fire this thing up and do some cooking. The stove hooked up to the bottle. I don't know what brand name this stove is because I've looked all over it and I don't see a brand name on it, but it really seems to work really nice. And it puts out some flame. So you can put the pot on here. Start boiling up some water. Hey, I don't like to just boil water. So I think what I'm going to do is put a couple eggs in there, and I'll have a couple hard-boiled eggs while I'm sitting out here burning. What's a hard-boiled egg, like 8 to 10 minutes? Okay, it's been about 9 minutes. I think I'm going to take these guys off and let them cool down. Shut this thing down. This thing is a little blowtorch. I'm pretty impressed with it. But I'm going to let them eggs cool down and we'll have one. Well, so far I'm pretty impressed with this little cook set. I paid $21 for it. And I'm sure somebody's going to tell me that you can get it cheaper on eBay or someplace like that, which I'm sure you probably can. I'm just telling you what I paid for it. But I think I'm going to sit here, do some burning, drink a beer, and have some hard-boiled eggs. So as always, everybody, thanks for watching. Perfect.